I remember say for my JS3, I used my school fees, go record song. I went the home results na buy that. I just tear about that time.
It's cool, yeah.
GTC. You get quiet anyway. To the section. And one of my guy Negro. First track in low, connected to that Abyss of Blessing. One sneeze Nigeria. See I'm the bone niche in my year who I get you in a clique. Imagine see Mampage, Namagibu pastor, like serious pastor. The one it in my year. I wouldn't have had the chest here, like in no be one make I do. I first started as a dancer, but I always knew that I was going to do music. I'm not going to like one and my bone lead to this and that, but I was very serious and intentional about it. I'm having a man who gave him what my Abyss of Blessing. That track, my school fees can do. But send the way and them people love the song so much because then Phyno kind of name more there and then. But I did that track, it was very hard. Not like I was trying to hype it up, but the track was hard. People were asking me for the songs. I then made drop it with them. I send the Bluetooth and I was just sending it out to my mom, my friends, but I say I don't go for where we could go. And then the friends say, well, the phone now. My mom now became interested in hearing the song I did. I met you on the song, believe no more ago. I wouldn't know, Mama. I'm saying no more. One say, but I make on over the event. Then, we carnival. I make we carnival. Nobody could pull out, perform, do my thing. Sometimes my friend got show, but I got forget them. And not a while, I can't. When I didn't get tired at some point, they became very interested. I'm very serious about this and intentional. I wanted a choice and to support. Ever since then, they have been supporting me or building or blow by this way, emotional support by prayers. Hugo means spirit, intellectual, heart. And these things are features of Hugo P. If you see us I the movie, you're gonna say I get heart, I get the spirit. I just came up with it, but before I chose it as my name, in the check here the meaning. The name originated from Germans. Where the Hugo come from, but that P there, my papa named me Prince, so that P there and a Prince.
Get it, TK.
I fancy it was in TK, Trench Kid, TK the Prodigy.
Okay, you mean the Trench Kid?
Yeah, some no Trench Kid, some no Trap King. Uncle when I go choose it, well, but still TK the Prodigy.
Prodigy one.
Young name overdo, name if you could say the name. And I didn't brutal name or the young. I don't know some people will leave on the buy. When we were young, my two sisters were in the fire. My brother and I could drums. I could drums na church. I was not interested in none of that, but I had love for music. But the type of music I loved, my mom not what limit me. I was just different. My mom knew that there was this thing about me. So I'm talking about singing all my cat, I'm more from one of my family, but I was just different.
Okay, so I did too, Enugu.
Overall. No, it's very brutal, very crazy experience and fun experience too. Overall, but that place, you get experience that adrenaline. Sometimes I'm also police, but sometimes I'll boss on the court, but sometimes I'll bow street football. We want to find out if you boom and walk. Liga, so do bad, yeah, over phone, it was fun to grow up there. A bank of Phyno were up to, a bank most of our artists were up to.